Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the best mango jam ever with only 3 ingredients. Try this. You're not going to go back to the store to buy one again, trust me. And I'm very excited. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a blender, I'm taking 500 grams of mango, that is 4 full mango pulps. Let's puree this fine. Looks perfect, keep it aside. To the pan, I'm adding the pureed mangoes, 1 cup of sugar. Mix it really well until the sugar dissolves completely. Mango and the sugar have come together. Great. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice for that punch. Mix, mix, mix. On a medium heat, the jam's going to take 25 to 30 minutes and on low heat 35 to 40. Now this is optional, but I'm taking 1 cup of mango chunks. I like my jam chunky. It's a very labor intensive recipe, but it's worth it. It's like a good arm workout if you ask me. Keep stirring. I'm taking a silicone spatula here just to scrape the sides well so that it doesn't stick to the pan. And this is how it looks after 15 to 20 minutes. Perfect. Now I'm going to show how to check if the jam has reached the perfect consistency. Take a plate, a little jam on it. You can tilt the plate. If the jam doesn't leave the trial, it's perfectly done. Otherwise, you can keep stirring for another 5 minutes. So now this is done. Let the jam completely cool down. Okay, this is cooled down now. I'm taking a sterile glass bottle and going to add the jam to the container. Also, this can be stored in refrigerator up to 3 months. And it's done. Please try the recipe and share the experience with us. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. See ya.